Causation. A superficial determination of causation can be found in the American Medical Association. Guides to the Evaluation of Permanent Impairment, 6th edition, page 25. Causality requires determination that each of the following has occurred to a reasonable degree of medical certainty. A causal event took place. The patient experiencing the event has the condition. The event could cause the condition, and the event caused or materially contributed to the condition within medical probability. A more comprehensive look into a causal relationship, one must determine if the requirements of temporal relationship, biological plausibility, literature support, and sufficient injury have been met. There must be a probable relationship between the trauma and the symptoms. The central issue is whether a particular collision or trauma would cause the claimed tissue damage. To determine this, one must assess the following elements. 1. A temporal relationship between the trauma and injury. Temporality is one of the strongest evidences of causation in evaluating a patient. To determine this, one must make judgments that refer to A. The time interval between the trauma and the symptom appearance, and B. Variation of symptoms with time. 2. What is the injury? 3. What is the probability for the injury to occur due to the reported trauma? 4. What is the sensitivity of the diagnostic testing used to determine the injury, and is there clinical correlation with the symptoms, like tissue damage, diagnosis, and impairment? 5. Is apportionment needed? 6. Is there a valid permanent impairment present?